Let's watch this.
You're unique. You're one of a kind.
You're exceptional.
You're the best as far as what we have seen.
This is my first time kasi i-present yung talent ko sa malaking audience. Tinry ko mag-entertain ng mga grupo, mga tao. Naramdaman ko yung happiness eh. Doon na-build yung confidence ko. Hindi ako nakaka-fed ng mga tao, mga viewers, but napapasaya ko pa sila.
He has the moves that will turn you upside down.
Defying gravity, please welcome on stage from Laguna, Alexis.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us all up better, faster, stronger.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up, man, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night, man. That's how long I've been on ya. You know how long I've been on ya. Since Prince's on Apollonia. Since OJ had isotoners. Don't act like I never told ya. 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 Never told ya.
Engage.
Alexis! Hinga, hinga.
Bro.
Good job, bro. Good
Pahinga
job.
ka muna.
Okay lang.
Alexis, sabi mo dati sa audition mo, you were doing this for your father who passed away. What do you want to say?
I love you pa, I love you. Love you so much pa, para sa ito.
Sino? Sorry.
His dad.
His dad. His father passed away, and I was just asking him what does he want to say.
And I'm
to his
sure
dad.
your dad is very, very proud of you.
That's right.
Sana nga po.
Oh, he
Thank
is.
you.
Judges?
Ako, sinasabi ko kay Friendship, nag-level up siya. Lalo siyang gumaling ngayon.
And Alexi, nakita namin na meron kang bagong pinakita ngayon. Dun sa mga style mo.
Thank you po. Thank you po, Miss.
I must agree with my co-judges here that you have improved.
Salamat po.
Thank you. Are you happy, bro? Happy ka naman?
So happy.
Kung gusto niyong ipagpatuloy ni Alexis ang kanyang journey sa Pilipinas Got Talent, take note of this. All you have to do is text PGT space Alexis.
Uulitin ko, PGT space Alexis. In just a short while, pwede niya nang simulan ang pagboto. So just